Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Magical Math Morning session. And in these sessions, we learn the many short tricks for doing mathematics the magical speed. Correct? No, we want you to become the mental mathematics calculators. And in the yesterday's session, you learned how to find the cube roots of perfect cubes. But what are the examples I had given was smaller ones. Not very small, but for you people it may be big. But there are two categories, what we can say. Anything six digits and below, we consider small. Now we'll see how to find the cube roots of numbers which are having seven digits and more. Definitely, it requires the knowledge of what you have learned yesterday. And if you have not learned, I want you to go through the video of the yesterday's session and then come back to this. Okay. And for this, the basic knowledge of cubes of numbers up to 10 is a must. What I have shown here. Like 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000. If you know up to 20, it is still good. But now, if you have only known till here, still we can do it. And the unit digits of cubes also we had learned only if the cube root is ending with 2 and 3, their cubes will have the unit digit as their complement. If it is 2, it will be 8. If it is 8, it will be 2. Complement means tens complement. 3 means 7, 7 means 3. For all other numbers, the cube and cube roots unit digits will be the same. If the number is ending with 1, its cube root also ends with 1. If the number is ending with 4, its cube root also ends with 4. The vice versa is also true. Cubes also ends with the same number. With this, now let's quickly recap one number. Maybe we can take it as 6859. And you want to find out the cube root. What we did here, we made a group of three numbers from the last side. And what is the unit digit of this group? 9. 9 means definitely its unit digit will be 9 only. And then left hand side, whatever left out, this number we'll see between which perfect cubes it is falling. It is falling between 1 and 8. Correct? No, that means 1 is the smaller number. So we'll take the left digit as 1. That means cube root of this is 19. We have left side digit, we have the right side digit. Now, the same thing, we are going to extend this one to bigger numbers. Let's take some big number. Maybe let me take like cube root of 84604,519. We have to, from right side, we have to make it into the groups of 3. These 3 are one group, these 3 are one group. And the left out, either 1, 2 or 3, these will be one group. Let's say the digit corresponding to the cube root, normally it will be containing of 3 digits. Let's take that those 3 digits as LMR. L is a left side digit, R is a right side digit, and M is the middle digit. Okay. Now, right side digit will follow the same rule like what we did yesterday, and left side digit also will follow the same rule. What is the right side digit? It is ending with 9. So, the cube root of this number also should end with 9. That means, what is that? 9 cube will come. So, right side digit will be 9. Okay. You need not write this as r equal to 9 and all. Okay. Directly you can write 9. But for explaining, I'm doing. And left side digit also will follow the same rule. 84 falls between 4 cube and 5 cube. Correct? No? The smaller among this is 4. So the left side digit will be 4. Only finding m will require a little bit of work. Till here you can do in just 1 or 2 seconds. Correct? No? Now how to find L? You find out one number called 3 into r square m. R means what? Right side digit. 3 into right side digit is 9. 9 square into m. 9 square is 81. Square, you remember. 81 3s are, we know that it is 243. Yep. This value you keep it. Now what we do for this number 84604,519, subtract r cube minus r cube. What is r? 9. 9 cube is what? 729. Okay. 0, 9, 7 is 7, 3, the rest is same. Correct? No? Whether we should do the complete subtraction, not required, I will tell you at the end. But to understand, suppose that we are subtracting r cube from this. You eliminate the last zero, remaining what is the digit. This will take it as the unit digit for the middle number. Middle number should get 9. In case if at all we have to get 9 here, what you should multiply to 243. 243, if you multiply with 3, then you will get 9. Correct? No? You should check what you should keep in the place of m, so that when you multiply this 243 into this m, you should get this 9 as the units digit. Definitely 3. Correct? No? 3 3s are 9. That 3 will take it as the middle number. Okay. Therefore, the cube root of this one is 439. Finding the middle number is the trick, correct? No? What we do? First, we'll subtract r cube from this. Do we need to do the entire subtraction? No. First one will always come 0. It's obvious. And the second digit you will find out, and only that if you remember also sufficient. Okay. Yeah, I'll give one more example. Okay. Did you understand how to consider this digit 9? That means first find out r cube. Whatever the right side digit we got, its cube is 729. You subtract from this. Once you subtract, you may get a big number. You need not do all these things. You just neglect the 0. Always it will end with 0, at least 1. And the next digit, whatever is there, that digit you remember. And once you remember, then you write 3 into r square into m. 3 we know, into r is already found out 9. R square is 81. 81 into 3 is 243 into middle number. When you multiply 243 into the middle number, whatever you number get, that will be equal to this digit. So middle number, what if you multiply to this units digit, you will get 9 as the units digit 3. 3 3s are 9. Correct? No? So that 3 will come in the place of m. That is m. I know that it's little difficult. Let me give you one more example. Okay. I hope you would have understood around 70 to 80%. Let us take one more example. Okay. Let's take 2797 26264. Such a big number. I want to find out the cube root. Okay. In this cube root, let's take, you group these three. You group these three. Oh, last one also we are having 3. Right side digit is what? This will, I prefer to call it as R, middle one and left one. Correct? No? Right side digit, it is ending with 4. Therefore, the right side digit is 4 only. Only 2, 3, they will be having a complements. Correct? No? Left side digit what? 279. It is greater than 6 cube, but less than 7 cube. So left side digit is what? 6. This also is fixed. Now, find out the digit what should come as the units digit for the multiplying with m. So, check it out, 3r square m. R square is how much? 4. 4 square is 16. 16 3 is a 48 into m. When you do 43 8 into m, the units digit what you get, that unit digit should come the other comparable number. What is that comparable number? For this number, you are subtracting with r cube, that is 4 cube. When you subtract 4 cube, what you will get? That is 64. When you subtract 64 from the, neglect the first 0, what you will get? 6 minus 6 is also 0 you will get. Or else you remember this, 279,726,264 minus r cube you will consider. R is 4, 4 cube is 64. When you subtract, what you got? 0 and 0. Rest everything is 262 7972. But the second digit, whatever you get, no, that one you have to consider it is 0. Now, what you should multiply to 48 so that its unit digit should come as 0. We should multiply with 5, correct? No? 8 5s are 40. Any other digit will not get 0. So, m we are taking that as the middle digit. M equal to 5, correct? No? 48 5s are. You will get 8 5s are 40, correct? No? Then you got it as 0. So, what is the middle number? This multiplicand, what you are getting? This is the middle number. So, cube root of this is how much? 654. Now imagine doing the factorization of this big number step by step and grouping them to 333 and then finding them, then multiplying all those representatives. How much time you should have taken? Correct. Now it's clear. Let's take one more example because this is the big numbers. No, I want to give one more example. But let's do it in a little different way. Suppose I want you to find out 1906624. Okay, it's cube root. You have this is three groups, this is three groups, this is one group. The left side we got it as 1, right side we got it as 4. Middle one, what we should do? 3 r square m. R square is 4 square, correct? No? So the moment it is 4 means what? 4 square is 16, 16 3 is a 48 m we got. This 48 m should have the middle digit as the number we get by subtracting 64 to this, correct? No, r cube is 64. When you subtract, what you get? First one 0 will cancel. Next one, what will 12 minus 6 is 6. You should get 6. To get 6, what should multiply to 48? Definitely you should multiply with 2, correct? No, 8 2 is a 16. Is there any other number? No, correct? No, so m equal to what? 2. Therefore the cube root of this one is 124. Very simple, correct? But imagine that you have got a very big number. To make it shorter, there is one more short trick. That is the short trick within this. But this will work out when we have the number with only one digit. Now, let me take you very big number where you may get some confusion. Let's take this number. Yeah. 7 6. I'm taking some examples, okay? 7 6 5 6 2 5. 3 digits one group, 3 digits one group, remaining 2 one group, correct? No, it's cube root we wanted to find out. What is the right side digit? 5. Left side digit is 4. Middle digit for us to do what we get? You have to subtract this one from 5 cube. That is 125. You should subtract. What you get? 0. And second digit also 0. So you should compare that digit with 0. Now 3 into r square m we should think of. R square is 5 square. 25 3 is a 75. 75 into m we should multiply with m to 75 in order to get the unit digit as 0. Now we can multiply with 2 also, correct? No, we can multiply with 4 also, we can multiply with 6 also, we can multiply with 8 also, correct? No, 8 5s are 40, 6 5s are 30, 4 5s are 20, 2 5s are 10. For everything it will come 0. Which one we will consider? That means there are possibilities of 4 numbers, correct? No, it can be m can be 2, that means it can be 425, and m can be 4, that means it can be 445, m can be 6, that can be 465, then m can be 8, that can be 485, correct? No, 85 485 I will not consider, mainly because when you take m is equal to 8, 75 into 8, how much you will get? You will get more than 600. Correct, no? That is a bigger number, but still let's check. Now we got these four numbers, no? What is the Navasesh method? You remember the digit sum method? Find out the digit sum of this that should match the digit sum of these numbers. What is the digit sum of this? 7 2 eliminated. Then we'll take it as other things. 6 plus 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 means 1 plus 8 9 eliminated. 5 2s are 10 plus 7 17. 17 means 1 plus 8 7. 8 is the digit sum. Now you check which is the digit sum for this. 4 and 5 9. Correct, no? Then 2, that is, you will get it as 4 plus 2, 6 plus 5 11. 11 digit sum is 2, or digit sum of directly we'll get to. That means 2 cube equal to what? 8. It should match. But when you consider for the other one, 4 and 5 eliminated, only 4 remains. 4 cube is what? Correct, no? Digit sum is 4. 4 cube is 64. 64 digit sum is 10, means it will come as 1. 1 is not matching. Then 465 also you can check it out. 4 5 is 9. 6 cube is 216. 2 plus 1 3 plus 6 9. That is equal to 0. So this is also not matching. I'm not consider this one because the last one, because 75 1 and 1 is already 600, which is greater than this subtraction. What we do when you subtract 125, what you are getting? 5500. Last three digits are coming as 550, which is greater than this, so I will not consider this. Among these things, where it is matching with the digit sum, digit sum is matching for only for the 425. Therefore the cube root of this one is what? 425. This is one method. Wherever you have a confusion, you substitute 2 and 4, or 2 4 6, three numbers also. Find the digit sum of this, find the digit sum of these cubes, whichever is matching, that one you take it. Normally, very rarely you will get such combinations. Most of the things you will get directly, and you may get only two combinations, but I have selected one where you got the three numbers as a combination, but that is rare case. Okay, I hope you understood these tricks. First one, make it into three groups. Last one is R, easy, match the unit digit. This one is L, find out from the group which one is the lesser, and middle one is M. We'll make it as 3R square M. R is the right side one. Correct, no? That one you take. What if you multiply with M? You can get the number with the unit digit what we are considering. How do you get the unit digit? From this you subtract R square. Sorry, R cube. That is, R cube is whatever you got here. 5 means 5 cube, 4 means 4 cube, 8 means 8 cube. After subtracting, eliminate 0, 1 last digit 0. Then the remaining digit is the one, you match it. Only in the rare case where you will get 2 or 3 options, cross check this one with the digit sum method. But 90% of the cases you will get without any of the digit sum method itself. So this one requires a little bit of practice. How you can do, I will tell you. You take your calculator, take some 3-digit numbers, find its perfect cube, and then you write it, group it, and cross check that one whether your method is working properly or not. Okay, that is the main methodology. Doing this, you will become more and more expert. If you are still having doubt, go through yesterday's method and then you come to this. Okay, and tomorrow is the last day of this year. Correct, I'm going to make some changes to this magical math morning sessions. I said you, and I'm going to announce and reveal tomorrow evening what is that change. Okay, till that time, stay tuned and learn these things, practice from the old ones, and with this, and enjoy the maja in the maths, because I always believe that maths mein to maja hai. Okay, bye bye, see you tomorrow morning.